Alright, today I'd like to do a review on the CAMLOCKER tool box. It's a low profile, standard depth. 72-inch model. Or 71 inch. I think it's 71 inch. Polished aluminum. A great box. Had it a little over a month. I'm very pleased with it. Especially how good the handles are, because besides that, instead of breaking latches like other brands, not into that. Don't have much stuff in here, honestly. I'm very happy with the toolbox. Also, that reinforcement up there on the lid. Don't want to be one of those guys with the bent toolbox lid. It's not fun. I've had it a month. Held up great so far. Hope it'll keep doing that. I'm very pleased with it. Would recommend it to anybody looking and thinking about pulling the plug on a CAMLOCKER. It's got plenty of room for anything you need, really. Got a tray. Got the keys with it, so I can lock it if I need to. Just got some little random stuff in here. Looks pretty good on the truck, I think. It's pretty bright. Gotta break my neck. You can see it back there. Pretty low profile, not too low profile. Not super tall either. I think it's just right. Looks really good in the back of the truck, I think. There's kind of a side angle of it. Just a bunch of different angles. I'm very pleased with it. Recommend it to anybody though. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Project Old Red out.